welcome back to my channel. Such a pleasure to have you. Appreciate you joining me for one of my projects. For today, I'll be making two wall decors, and my wall decors today is going to be gold and white. For my wall decors, I will be using some dollies from the dollar store. This comes in a pack of 32 because I'm going to use all of them. It ranges like 12 different size. So I'm going to use the bigger size out of the pack. I'll be also using a round mirror from the dollar store. I will be spray painting my mirror with this metallic gold spray paint. I'll use my scissors and some hot glue to get this project going. I'd gone ahead and spray paint my round mirror. Also, one of the dollies, I did a little spray paint to the outer layer of it. I'll be using charger plate, gold charger plate from my Dollar Tree. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put this dolly in the charger plate and I'm going to glue it in there. My hot glue. And I'm going to glue my mirror in. For my mirror, I'm also going to use some E6000 just to keep it in place along with hot glue. The E6000, you can get it at any one of the hardware stores or Walmart. Right, so we're going to put some of the E6000. I'm going to put my hot glue on top of the dolly. Right in the circle. Okay, here we're at. Now we have everything that is gold. Now we're going to put in layers of white. So it's going to be gold, white. So I'm going to go ahead and so what I did was to cut the inside of the dolly out, and I'm using the outer layer to put inside. So I'm gonna stuck it all the way up under this one because we want the charger plate to be showing also. Still want to get the flower shape because the dolly, they do have a flowers shape, so you want to see if you can catch that shape when you're putting it under the bottom. All right, to fit in the extra space that I have right there, I'm gonna measure how much we need for right here. And then we're gonna cut it, fit it in the open space that we have right here. All right, now I'm gonna go around and hot glue for my the white layer that I want to put in the mirror and my gold dolly. I've gone ahead and trim it down because it was too long and I don't want it to cover my gold. So cutting it smaller so that it can fall right in the middle of the white. And the to go with my big wall decor, I'm gonna make two small ones to put to the side. I'll be using some dessert plate from the dollar store. What I did was to go ahead and spray paint them gold because I needed gold and white. I'll be using some adhesive mirror for my smaller wall decors. There we go, another beautiful wall decor project. I am loving it. The big one in the middle, two small ones to the side. I think it's beautiful. I think doing this in silver is gonna look beautiful also. I want to thank you for joining me for another one of my projects. Appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so that you could see all of these awesome wow projects that I'm doing. God bless you. Have a blessed day.